Check out the 2018 300. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.